To the childish mind, noise is a joy and a thrill. As children, we marveled at the creaking, puffing steam locomotive, or we dashed madly after the clanging fire department. Noise really meant something in those days. Then came automobiles. The early motorist wanted his horseless carriage to be seen and heard. But times have changed, and noise has had its day. With the advancement of our mechanical age, engineers have found noise is inefficient. Doctors have pronounced it harmful. The public tires of it, and the authorities have made it unlawful. Despite the elimination of the old discomforts replaced by present-day refinements, there exist inherent faults in many so-called modern motor cars. The most important function of any internal combustion engine is its valving, the method by which gases enter and leave the cylinder or combustion chamber. Let us now examine the inner workings of the valve mechanism and see where and how the demons of din pursue their annoying trade. In some engines, a short stroke is employed. This permits the piston to drop below the cylinder. In such a case, the piston is subjected to intense wear as it is thrust against the cylinder walls at the bottom of its travel. Multiply all these noisy operations by the number of cylinders in a poppet-valve engine, and you have. Engineers have tried every conceivable arrangement and combination of poppet-valve design. Still, the noise remains. To eliminate the inherent faults of noise and wear that you have seen, a new principle in valve design and construction was created, revolutionizing all previous standards. The Silent Night sleeve valve engine. The Willys-Knight engine is built on a principle which employs only quiet mechanism. Every action is rotary, sliding, or eccentric, thereby eliminating clashing of parts, bringing about silence of operation. The free and unobstructed passage of gases entering and leaving through the ample sleeve valve ports is in striking contrast to the restrictions and interferences of poppet valve engines, where the valve itself obstructs its opening. The entire action of the Willys-Knight sleeve valves is positive and quiet at all speeds and under all conditions, because the sleeves are actuated by rods to an eccentric shaft. The long connecting rods and the precise fit of Invar steel strut pistons ensure a smooth and even operation. More power, greater pickup. As the mileage of a poppet valve engine increases, the noise it makes increases also. This is unavoidable because of the wear to clashing parts. The Willys-Knight engine, because of its principle, remains quiet and efficient throughout its life. Willys-Knight style, luxury, beauty, and its smoothness, silence, and power have won the endorsement of those who want the finest in motor car design and performance.